Hello, this is Joan Fernley, your French and Latin diction coach for choirs. In this video, I will read the Antiphon, or In Paradisum, from the Requiem Mass. This is the 11th Latin tutorial of my 11-part series covering all the Latin texts of the Classic Choral Latin Requiem. You'll find the link to the full playlist in the description box below. It's one video tutorial for each part of the Requiem. The only exception is the first video that combines the introit and the Kyrie, just because the Kyrie is so short. Also included in the playlist is my introduction to this series. It's the guide I wish I had when I set out on this project. Most classic choral Latin requiems follow a standard list of prayers, but composers might split or tie prayers together or add or omit prayers. Just look at a table of contents of a few masterworks and requiems can appear more unique than standard. So I highly recommend you watch my video. It covers just enough history and background to make sense of any classic choral Latin requiem. And it will help you match the right video to the movement you're working on, no matter which composer. As always, if you like what I do, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. The In Paradisum is quite short. It's a 2-verse prayer. So I'm going to read the whole thing once at a conversational pace to give you an idea of the phrasing. And the second time, slowly, word for word, to bring out the pronunciation of each individual word. In paradisum deducant te angeli, in tuo adventu suscipiant te martires, et perducant te in civitatem sanctam Jerusalem. Chorus angelorum te suscipiat, et cum Lazaro quondam paupere, aeternam habeas requiem. In paradisum deducant te angeli, in tuo adventu suscipiant te martires, et perducant te in civitatem sanctam Jerusalem. Chorus angelorum te suscipiat, et cum Lazaro quondam paupere, aeternam habeas requiem. And there you have it, the Antiphon, or In Paradisum. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.